Hey, what's up, everybody? I hope this isn't recording sideways, but it's Ed from Professional Realty, and wanted to share with you guys my new toy. I have a CNC machine. It is the Genmitsu 4040 from Sane Smart, and it's got the 710 watt monster spindle on there. I didn't want to, hey, it was available, so I thought, what the heck? Let me go ahead and let's go ahead and get the power. Some of you guys might get that. Some of you older folks, but as you can see, I went ahead and did my first project, and it's just my mom's name, and I did it in some MDF. No big deal, but it's kind of hard to see, but it's there. See if I can get. I don't know. You see it says Loretta. My MDF is super soft, and again, I just wanted to kind of get my bearings on it. So I had this all the way in the corner, and there's a little buffer side to front, to side to back, that it has the working space. So by putting it here, I kind of missed my home. This is, the home is going to be somewhere, right around here. So next time, I'll go ahead and adjust some, or I can probably adjust on the, no, I got to adjust my piece here so that it's in line with the design on the laptop. So because of its physical limitations. One thing I don't like is there are no lines. There is no, this is the 0 point. This is my home. This is my max. And there are no lines on there, no guidelines on the spoil board to indicate that. That would have been nice. Also, this motor, I think it's called a stepper motor. See if I can show you. If I tell it, I'm going to unlock it, and then I'm going to tell it to go to the right. Watch this knob. The knob or the rod is bent. You see it? Let's make sure you guys can see that. It's wobbled. Okay, damaged in transition, I guess. But excuse me, sorry, still have some sinus issues. But yeah, that wasn't cool. There's no real grid on here, which would be nice. A lot of the stuff, was super well packed, I thought. The instructions were pretty good. A few things that it skipped over, which, some important stuff like where to connect the power. And there's a couple in the back there. There's a connector, a connection, and it goes right up into that stepper motor. But it didn't indicate that in the manual. There's one on this side, which connects into, it's over here, that connects into clearly a piece that is extruding, whatever. It's sticking out of the x-axis, and that was obvious. This one, you have to go up into that stepper motor. Not cool. Got to go up. So there were a few things that were omitted, and I thought, kind of surprisingly, but I understand it's a Chinese machine. But I got to say, super well packed. It's super sturdy. You need about anywhere from 25 to 25 on your desktop or on your tabletop in order to have it manageable and steady. I've actually got a little bit more over here, probably another 12, 13 inches for the laptop, which I don't love. And it's a little bit low. It's 30 inches, so I'm in the chair. Whereas, my workbench is 34. It's really nice for working height. This one I had to get down. I was all bent over trying to, type in and home it. So anyway, quick review, Genmitsu 4040, and that first one was a little nerve-wracking. I was ready to hit the e-stop ASAP, but it actually carved, and like I said, nice soft MDF, and I'm ready to move on to the next design, or maybe the same design. just moving the piece. And maybe next time I might just flip this over and do it again as another practice. And then I may actually just draw my grid lines, or even just one grid line or two intersecting grid lines, so that I know where the home 0 point is. And then from there, I think it's other designs, it's other woods, which I've got plenty of wood laying around. Uh, Lots of trash too, but yeah, ready to start doing some stuff. I'm looking forward to doing the inlays and the 3Ds, but taking my time. I'm going to go ahead and just do my engravings and see, just let that take me where I need to go. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment, questions. I'll like I said, first project, so I do recommend the machine, and the software was pretty easy to put in, and it worked. So hey, that's step number one, goal number one. Hope you guys have a great day.